Okay, here we go. We're going to draw the floor plan of the class in Sketchup. So you've opened up Sketchup. First thing we want to do is come up here to File. We're going to come Save As. Make sure that we're on the home device over here. And we're going to name it correctly. So this is going to be Smith underscore floor plan. Alright, I'm going to click on our lovely lady. We're going to delete her. We're going to go to View. We're going to take off the axes. Alright, we're also going to go to Parallel Projection, so we get a straight view, and then we want to go to Standard View Top, like we're looking down on the picture. Okay, over here we want to go to Model Info. We are going to be in fractional, and we will display to the 0. Alright, I was on units right there. Excellent. Alright, so in drawing our room, I recommend you draw a rectangle first and then trim it off. You draw the whole exterior rectangle and then trim it off. So this whole thing is 528 inches. This rectangle would be 528 inches by 504 inches. Okay, so 528 by 504. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to grab my rectangle, I'm going to click. As soon as I let go, I'm going to type 528, 504, enter. And now, alright, I have the right size. I can go ahead and check my measurements here. That's 504. That's 528. Okay. So that's perfect. That gives me, if this room was a rectangle, it gives me this. Now, using our dimensions that I gave you, you need to figure out how to trim these off. Alright? How to trim these off and how to make them look like my example. Alright, you're going to make it look like my example. You got the measurements on the inside here showing us how big it is. You got the measurements all the way around on the outside. And then I signed my name so none of you jokers could just copy this and turn it in. So, alright? So when you're done with this, you're going to turn it into the PDF document just like we did the last time.